My name is Jeff Shanks. I'm the pastor of Saint John Lutheran Church and School, and we are putting on what we are calling the Ocala Christmas Light Spectacular here at the Florida Horse Park just south of Ocala. We wanted to be able to bring joy into this community, and especially after COVID and all that we've gone through in the last 2 years, we just want some place where people can come safely and just enjoy the outdoors and enjoy the lights. Everybody loves Christmas lights. So they explored what are the best people around here to work with, and Clark stood out. They seemed to really have not only the equipment, but the heart, and wanted to partner with us to make this happen. One of the nice parts from our standpoint is if we would buy them, obviously it would be an initial cost that would be much higher. Long term would actually be lower. But our thinking is, we'll be able to have some flexibility so that we don't have the exact same show every year. By leasing, our hope would be, well, we'll have some other new features next year and change them out so that everybody comes year after year after year. They're going to see something new every year too. It has been overwhelmingly positive. I think, we were talking about this with our members, and we're trying to cast a vision, and we showed them some film from other places and all that. But until you actually drive through here, you don't understand. And from a member standpoint, it has been like, wow, this is something. They're like, so many of them are taking a great pride in this, of being a part of this. And then from the general public, people are just thanking us for providing this. So it's awesome.